Hey everyone, I'm Yerenny and today I'll be doing a get ready with me with Wonderskin. The first product that I'll be applying will be the All Day Glow MultiCorrective Serum. I honestly love the formula of this product because it feels so healthy to the skin. The next product that I'll be applying will be the All Day Glow MultiCorrective Face Cream.
I found the one again. I found the one again. I found the one again.
Last step of skincare, I'll be applying the All Day Glow MultiCorrective Eye Cream. And that was it for the skincare. Now it's time to put on some makeup. Now it's time for the lashes and I'll be applying the Powerful Mascara by Wonderskin. This formula is honestly so good that with one coat it is more than enough. These are my lashes before applying the Powerful Mascara. And these are my lashes after applying the Powerful Mascara. For the last step, I'll be applying the Wonderblade lip color by Wonderskin and the shade will be Whimsical. As you can see, all you have to do is apply 1 or 2 coats and then wait from 10 to 45 seconds, spray a little bit of the activator and then you're ready to peel and reveal a beautiful lip shade. And that was the final look. Thank you so much for watching this Get Ready with me with Wonderskin. Bye!